Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a New Year's unboxing to share with you guys. But first, happy 2024. We made it, guys. 2023 was quite the journey. So much happened. It was a huge journey for me specifically. I kind of overcame a lot in 2023. So many things were happening for me, and I feel like I just had this breakthrough in 2023. Like 2024, I'm embracing it, leaving the past in the past, and embracing the future, and kind of remembering like the future is ours. And yeah, so it's what we make it, basically. So anyways, happy 2024. I have a little holiday New Year's unboxing. It's been becoming a tradition for me to treat myself to some jewelry for New Year's, and I picked up something from Mejuri. I have a few things to unbox. I purchased this at the Mejuri in Soho, so this is like my first in-store purchase. The experience was quite seamless. It's almost as if when you order it, you purchase in store, it's as if you're receiving an order that they just prepare for you. So obviously they have to have the item you're looking for in stock to purchase in store. It's super seamless if they do have the item you're looking for, and they just so happen to have my item. So here it is. It comes in this little dust bag. So here is the box. Jewelry. And you open it. Here is my earring. Let's see if it can focus. This is the single diamonds line mini hoop earring. So this is made with white gold and diamonds. You guys know that I pretty much have like my curated ears with my earrings, and I don't switch out my earrings really, but I wanted to upgrade one of the hoops, the mini hoops on this ear. So I'm gonna zoom in. We're gonna talk a little bit about my earrings. I have these mini hoops here, and then I have this two-tier diamond earring here, and then I have my Maria Tash paisley diamond earring for my tragus, right? And then on this side, just as a reminder, I have my Ana Luisa Sia safety pin earrings, and then the Maria Tash studded diamond earring. And then here we have the two, and these are just white gold mini white gold like Huggies mini ear hoops, the Maria Tash paisley, and then this double tiered earring that looks like two earrings, but it's just one double tiered earring, diamond earring, and that's from Mejuri. You can see it better now, right? So this is the hoop I had before, and now my new diamond earring. And that's kind of like my gift for myself for the new year. Like I said, I always get a gift. And then I got some other rings from Mejuri. So I got this first ring, which is the metallic sphere ring, and this is in sterling silver. I got it to actually stack on top of, I have this diamond ring from Mejuri, so I got this to stack on top of it. That's how it looks stacked. It's a similar design. It's just the other one has diamonds and this one is just like a beaded. It would stack well too on, well, I don't know that I stack it on this ring. This is actually all Mejuri too. These are the Mejuri stacker rings. I'll list all these below. I did not intend for this to be like a Mejuri video, but this ring that I always wear here on my index finger is called the stacker ring in white gold, and I got one for my pinky. This one, which is the metallic sphere, so there's that. Next ring I got is the daily stacker ring, which is like this thicker band. Probably wear it on this middle finger. So there's that. So I got my diamond. Let me take these off though, guys. I got my new diamond earring that I'm so excited about, and this earring was a really reasonable price, I think, for the material and the quality. I'll link all of this down below that I'm talking about, but they do sell it as a single earring, so just, it's not a pair, it's just a single earring. So yeah, that was my treat to me to say happy 2024, and I kind of take that token as a reminder, whatever my theme for the year is, and this year it is kind of the past is the past and the future is mine. So I get to kind of navigate the future and leave the past where it should be, behind us, right? So yeah, anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. I will again link all of the items I featured in this video down below, especially I'll include some other of my Mejuri favorites for you guys to check out. I love shopping Mejuri. I really enjoy shopping Mejuri for fine jewelry just because I think it's such a great value, like the quality for their price points. So I highly recommend you check them out if you haven't already. Again, I'll link all of the products I mentioned in today's video, plus some of my favorites. You guys know the diamond necklaces that I wear all the time are from Mejuri. I have the small diamond necklace and the large diamond necklace, and I wear them together. So I'll link all of my Mejuri favorites down below for you guys to check out. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, guys.